I'm gonna do an improv, and I'm just here and now. Woo! I'm improvising here and now. The doody dotty doody doody day. Yeah, waddy dotty. You've got a special day here today. Well, every day is special anyway. Anyway, how are you doing? I hope you're fine. Today I was told in a comment. Well, I saw in a comment to my YouTube channel that someone thought I was an American. Yeah, but I told him that I've lived many years in the UK, and I usually talk British English to some degree. Well, I'm influenced by having lived in the UK anyway. Anyway, what am I doing? What am I saying? I'm just here and now. I'm just saying this and that. I'm just being me in and now, and I'm just improvising here and now. Yeah, but I'm having a special day, and I've just had a photo shoot not long ago and taken some nice photos of myself. Yeah, I'm enjoying my day. I'm enjoying being me. I'm enjoying living in the now, being me. Take care and live for me. Bye. Yay.